Yeah, one going there and one up high.
Oh, look! That just
Yeah.
connected up with that.
I wonder where this is.
And here comes one out of the tunnel. There's one out of the tunnel on the left there, Mom. And there it goes in the tunnel.
Oh, here, coming right in front of us. Oh, look at the length of that one. You know,
Start a train!
that, see the truck? I think that says Railway Express on it, I believe. And that's what used to be like UPS. And
I know more trains.
There's another one there.
And nothing there. Nothing up there. I was connecting it. Is there any mountain lions?
One up there.
I don't know. There's a waterfall.
oh, yeah, there's one way up there.
A waterfall?
Hmm.
I can't see it.
Wow.
It's right there.
Yeah. What kind of train is that?
Yeah.
Just a couple of work cars or something. Snowplow car.
Well, that looks like it's,
Looks like a funicular or
or
something.
maybe a cog railway.
Oh.
Oh boy, look at the engines there.
So look at the lights are blue. Ah, so look at that one. It's all red.
That's all well flying aircraft.
Here's, look at. There's a plane.
Oh, look above on the bridge.
Oh, yeah.
It's not circling that building.
Trestle.
Look like it's on fire.
Boy, that's quite a bridge.
Those guys are pretty cool up there. I mean, like, you can see the whole layout. I really want to go up there and see what.
And then we got one coming on the lower level.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a long train here.
Yeah. See how old these guys are?
See, this is just the way our rail yard was. All those different tracks
Oh,
that they
yeah.
would assemble.
See these two that are kind of
Yeah.
going side by side?
Like 50
Yeah.
years ago.
Yeah.
Coal cars or
Yeah.
ore cars. They used to come through from out in the Dakotas and Montana, coal cars, just loaded, whole train full.
Oh, look, they sped up.
That's such a pleasant little hillside farm with their
Yeah.
windmill and tank.
Oh, that's the Coyote and the Roadrunner. You see it right there, the billboard?
Or something.
Anytime. Anytime.
I'm going to go in there and, oh, boy, it's good going.
Yeah, wait. No, that's right. Stay up here, Dad.